my channel, Tania Estelle. Yay! So I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be, and it's not sponsored, but I have received a package and I can't wait to share it with you all. So I have mentioned it in my previous videos that I am an influencer, and it's like a reviews, you get free stuff. And it has proven, because I've been with them for over now, I think about a year now, and I just keep getting packages here and there. So I just want to show you my newest package that I received and I got from them, and this is what it looks like. Cream of Nature. Hi honey. And I just want to let you know, because I have to do this, I just want to let you know that all the products in here I have received free for testing purposes, complimentary from Influenster. So let's get to this. Is the card that I received. It says how to use them and what the benefits are from using them. So the very first thing, I'm just gonna go by the list so I won't confuse myself. Moisturizing Dry Defense Shampoo Conditioner. Moisturizing Dry Defense. Look at that. Okay. I had to pay for this. Super excited about that. So yeah, it says here that is a shampoo. Wait, sorry. I have a shampoo and conditioner. Next thing that I got is a Knot Away Leave-In Detangler. It's so cute. I like the bottle. It reminds me of like a milk bottle. I don't know. I'm just like for packages. So yeah. And I already used this as a leave-in, since my hair is in braids now. And y'all, it smells so good. It smells so good. The next thing on the list is a shrinkage defense curl activator, and which is this big baby right here. Voila! Super excited about. It's the Perfect Edges 24-hour extra hold. Look at that. Yes, edge control. Yeah, I can't wait to use this stuff. I'm so super excited, so super stoked about this. Love it. All that I got from Influenster, and like again, if you want to be Influencer, it's a free platform. All you have to do, I will attach the link down below in my description box. It's free to join. All you got to do is create an account, and it's only on your phone by app only. You can do it on your computer, but you do more of the stuff you do on your phone. So all you got to do is give honest reviews on products, and if you're selected, you get a free box, VOX box, and they send it to you. So I went into details of my other video. I'll add the ad card into this video so you can see, and you can sign up. It's free. So I will attach a link down in my description box. Don't forget to check it out and join. You get free products. Tania Estelle's Everything Faith, Fashion, Beauty, and Lifestyle. Watching the video. I'll see you tomorrow in the next video. All right. God bless.